Hi, this is Courtney with Simplicity Ops. Today I'm going to be showing you how to see what activities or tasks your other team members are working on. This can be beneficial for a few reasons. One, to get an overview of the workload of your team members. And two, if a team member is out of the office and you need to check on the status of a specific task or project they're working on. So I'm going to start in my Today page, and I'm going to click on Reports here on the left. I'm going to scroll down to Activity Reports, and I'm going to click Activities by Contact. Now this is pulling up all the activities of everyone in your database on your team. But for the purpose today, I just want to see what one person is working on. So I'm going to click on Filter in the top right, and I'm going to go to Attendees, and let's see what Kate is working on. So I'm going to click and then Apply Filter. We can see that she has 11 open activities currently, and some of these are past due and some of them are in the future. So you can export this to an Excel spreadsheet by clicking Export here in the top right corner. You can also export it to be a PDF document by clicking this PDF button as well. So that's it. I hope that you found this video helpful. Continue to follow Simplicity Ops for more great videos and advice to better optimize your CRM. Thanks and have a great day.